Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Chico local and long distance movers near me. Where to start? The messy drawer upstairs or the closet with the shoes piled up on the ground? The shed in your backyard is a lost cause, along with the heavy furniture in your living room. Moving is a hectic time. You have many things to take care of, and packing always falls to the bottom of your priority list until you can find some time at the last minute. What if you could avoid the headache of moving and have your things packed and moved for you? It can't be easy to relocate far away. Have faith in us. We've successfully relocated many consumers over large distances in the past 2 decades. You probably have a lot on your mind right now, and packing probably isn't one of them. Our movers will go above and beyond to meet your needs. We have the resources to provide secure packing for your assets and the transportation options to get them where they need to go. You won't find many moving firms willing to assist you in this way. For those of our clients who have a need for it, we also provide storage options. If you were hoping that moving would be easy since your new place is only a few doors down, you would unfortunately be mistaken. We are the best movers in Chico and specialize in local moves and can get them done in just one day. The good news, the moving day will only take a few hours. The bad news, you'll have to invite your in-laws after all. We are the best Chico movers who complete moves very fast and deliver 100% customer satisfaction. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Chico moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.